You may or may not know that you can import contacts from spreadsheets or other CRMs to Pipedrive. But you may be even more jazzed to know that you can also sync your contacts to Pipedrive from any major providers such as Google or Outlook or iCloud, the whole deal. Just head over to Settings and under Personal over here, select Contact Sync. Now just add the account where your contacts are. Then we'll select which contact group we want to sync and select if it's a one-way sync, which by the way means that contacts are only synced from your provider to Pipedrive. Or we can set up a two-way sync, which means that changes to our contacts in Pipedrive will also be reflected in our provider. Lastly, you can set the visibility for contacts to be synced to Pipedrive so you can control who can see the newly added contacts in your account. And let's finish the job by clicking Start Syncing. And there you have it. All your contacts are synced with Pipedrive. No one can stop you.